Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to follow an author on Audible. Following an author on Audible lets you be alerted when they release new books to see their full catalog more easily and stay connected with your favorite writers. So in order to follow an author, launch open the Audible application on your device and sign in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and look for the search icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Now search for the name of the author in the text box. After you search for the author, from the search result, find the author and tap on their profile. Now once you get to their profile, click on the follow button underneath their name. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to follow the author on Audible. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.